Introduction: The importance of kidney health. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about something super important, how the food you eat can affect your kidney health. I was really scared when I found out my kidneys weren't doing well. But then I learned how a vegetarian diet can help your kidneys work better. Today, I want to share with you the vegetables that have helped me a lot. By the end of this video, you'll know how a vegetarian diet can help your kidneys and which veggies you should eat for the best kidney health. So, let's get started. What are kidneys and their function? So what exactly are kidneys and what do they do? Kidneys are like little bean-shaped organs in your lower back. They clean out waste, extra salt, and toxins from your blood. They also help control blood pressure, balance chemicals in your body, and make hormones that are important for strong bones and making red blood cells. Our kidneys work all the time to keep our bodies balanced and healthy. But things like a bad diet, not drinking enough water, and some medicines can make it hard for your kidneys to do their job, which can lead to kidney problems. Common kidney diseases and their causes. Kidney problems are getting more common and can happen because of things like diabetes, high blood pressure, and not eating right. Some of the main kidney diseases are chronic kidney disease, acute kidney injury, polycystic kidney disease glomerulonephritis. These diseases can cause serious health problems if you don't manage them properly. So, it's really important to take care of your kidneys. The link between diet and kidney health. One of the best ways to keep your kidneys healthy is to eat the right foods. A balanced and healthy diet can lower your chances of getting kidney disease and even help your kidneys work better. Studies have shown that a vegetarian diet, which includes lots of fruits, veggies, whole grains, and plant-based proteins, can be especially good for your kidneys. Veggies are full of important nutrients and antioxidants that can help fix and protect your kidneys. Benefits of a vegetarian diet for kidney health. Switching to a vegetarian diet can be really good for your kidneys because it lowers the bad fats and cholesterol in your diet, which can lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. It gives you more fiber, which can help control blood sugar and make your digestive system work better. It gives you more antioxidants, which can protect your kidneys from damage and inflammation. Top vegetables that help repair kidneys. Now let's talk about the star veggies that are great for kidney health. Spinach, packed with vitamins and minerals that can help repair damaged kidneys. Kale, full of vitamins and antioxidants that can reduce inflammation and improve kidney function. Cauliflower has vitamin C, folate, and fiber to help detoxify and support kidney health. Bell peppers, colorful and tasty, they are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that can protect your kidneys. Cabbage, a natural diuretic that can help get rid of extra fluids and toxins in your body. Asparagus, another natural diuretic that is full of vitamins and antioxidants to reduce inflammation and protect your kidneys. Beets, loaded with antioxidants and nutrients that can boost kidney function and reduce inflammation. Carrots, packed with beta-carotene, which is good for maintaining healthy kidneys. Garlic, helps detoxify the body and contains compounds that reduce inflammation and protect the kidneys. Onions, have diuretic properties and can help reduce water retention and cleanse the kidneys. The role of hydration in kidney health. Drinking enough water is also super important for kidney health. It helps flush out toxins and extra salt from your body, which reduces the risk of kidney stones and urinary infections. Other lifestyle changes for improved kidney health. Along with eating right and drinking enough water, there are other things you can do to keep your kidneys healthy. Exercise regularly to improve blood flow and lower the risk of chronic diseases. Limit how much alcohol you drink to ease the strain on your kidneys. Don't smoke or be around secondhand smoke, which can harm your kidneys and increase the risk of kidney disease. Conclusion: empowering your kidneys with a vegetarian diet. So, there you have it. Eating a vegetarian diet with lots of veggies can really help keep your kidneys healthy. By adding these kidney-friendly veggies to your meals and making other healthy choices, you can help your kidneys and improve your overall health. Call to action. Subscribe and learn more about kidney health. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about how to keep your kidneys healthy, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our helpful videos. Let's work together to keep our kidneys healthy and live happier, healthier lives. Remember, your health is really important, and making good choices now can help prevent kidney problems and keep you feeling great for years to come. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.